Umarex is offering a lot of new air rifles which are high powered. This one is called the Walther Maximator, not without reason. It is available in two calibers, in 22 and in 25, and it's up to 70 joule. It's got an unregulated PCP system and a nice Rotex style stock. The one in the back is called Terminator. It's similar, up to 40 joule PCP, and it's got an extractable tank with a manometer on front, and you can fill it outside the gun. This spring piston rifle is from the LGV series. It's called LGU Varmint because of this polymer stock with a sump hole and a rubber bed in the back. It's simply the same structure. It goes up to 24 joule. This complete family of new spring piston rifles starts with an entry-level model called Walther Sinus. It has a nice beech stock with check rings and with a rubber plate and traditional open sights. This Walther Parrus has been introduced last year, but now it's got a larger brother, the Walther Parrus, which is a spring piston rifle with 30 joule, which is impressive. This is a Parrus with a wooden stock. And this is a more traditional LGV, the father of the complete family. The Walther Rotex RM8 was presented last year. Now it's got a more sturdy version with a polymer coated stock. That's the reason why it's called Rotex PCW. The Terminator with 40 joule, the Maximator with up to 70 joule, and the Walther 1250 Dominator.